Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lemon and you're watching the Cooking Lemon channel. Hi, today we're gonna make fried ice cream and I promise this is gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. So we're gonna need ice cream. I'm gonna use chocolate ice cream and we're also gonna need 2 eggs. We're gonna need bread and oil. We're also gonna need some breadcrumbs. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make like a kind of ice cream sandwich. We're gonna put like 1 scoop. Wow, it's melting. 1 scoop here. Depends on how much ice cream do you want. Let's say 2. And we're gonna cover it up. Oh, this is a hole. You see that? You see that? So now we're gonna make an ice cream ball, and we're gonna use this bread to finish covering the parts where it's not covered. Okay. So now that we've covered our ice cream with bread, we're gonna cover it with some plastic, and like this. So now we're gonna put it in the freezer for a couple of hours and let it harden. So I made 2 of these, and now I'm gonna take this plastic off. And 1, 2. So actually this is my first time making this, and so I'm a noob, and if I fail, I don't know, I have never made this, so you can make it too, because this is my first time, so I'm probably as a novice like you are. And the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna crack these 2 eggs. 1, 2. Oh fuck. Sorry for my cursing, guys. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna put a little bit of milk. I don't know, some people like it like that. Oh my gosh. It looks like a happy face. Happy face. Happy face. No, it doesn't look anymore like a happy face. Okay. So we're gonna mix and mix. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little experiment. We're gonna use the breadcrumbs to cover it. But this is where the experiment comes. We're going to use cereal for the other one. We're going to use, this is crushed Fruit Loops. Okay, so now, this is where the fun part starts. We're gonna dip these things into the egg wash. Dip. And now, into the breadcrumbs. So, there are a lot of versions of fried ice cream. Some people like to do this and then put it back in the freezer. Some people dip it twice. I don't know. I think once is good. But okay, we're gonna set this guy aside. Okay, so we're gonna do the second one. We're gonna double dip it first into the breadcrumbs. Then some people like to use panko. I'm just using the one we use for milanesa here in Mexico. And while I'm doing all of this, I already have a little of oil boiling, so we fry these things up. Okay, we're gonna put it again here to double layer because I've never done this. And now we're gonna do it on the Fruit Loops. Oh my gosh, I don't know if this will work, guys, but I hope it does. This is my new experiment and it looks kind of nasty, but I like it. Okay, so now we're gonna put these guys in the freezer for, I don't know, like 5-10 minutes to let it harden a little bit before we put it into the oil. Okay, so now these guys are out of the freezer and they're ready to get into this boiling oil. Okay, I kind of want to do this with my hands, but I don't know. I'm scared. I don't know. Guys, please. Don't be stupid and don't do that at home. I almost literally, a lot of oil jumped, and please do not do that. Okay, so now we're boiling the cereal one. There you look the colors. And if you're like a kid, please ask your parents for help for this. I don't want you to get burned. Okay guys, so this has been here like for 30 seconds, let's say. I don't know if it's ready. Let's see. Okay, that looks pretty golden, a little bit extra fried. So, oh my gosh, look at that. So we're gonna transfer this. This is looking gorgeous. Stay far away from it because I don't want to get burned. Oh my gosh, what's that? What's that? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, okay, so that's like the little bubbles popping. Okay, back to this. This is looking gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And now we're gonna pass it to a plate with a little bit of, with a napkin there to let it, you know, that oil. So it's not that oily. And now, okay, we're gonna put the other one here. So my cameraman is helping me here. Thank you. I love you. Okay, so now the second one, the normal one, goes in here. Okay, be careful, be careful, be careful. Don't die. Okay, this one isn't popping that much. So this one's here, setting down. I don't want to touch it, but I feel it's kind of crispy. Yeah, it's kind of crispy. I can feel it. I feel it. So wow, this is looking gorgeous. This is a bunch of calories and diabetes, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Bad quality. Okay, so this has been here. Let's say for I'm gonna let it there cook. No, fry for a little longer. Okay, let's check this out. This has been here like for 30 seconds, 40, a little bit less than a minute. This is looking good, but I'm gonna let it sit there for a little longer, like for 10 seconds more to see what goes in there. It's bubbling up. And then this guy seems, how are you? Okay, then we're gonna do a taste test. I think this is good enough. It's brown enough, it's gold, and it's looking gorgeous. But the thing that matters here is the taste. So look at these two guys. We're gonna put it to another plate where we can finally taste it. Okay guys, so this is ready and I'm gonna try it out. So, okay, so okay, the ice cream kind of melted inside, but that's okay. The outside part melted, but still gorgeous and delicious. Look at this. Look, this part melted, the outside part, but here on the inside, it's still, the ice cream is still solid. So, let me try this out. I'm gonna put some of the melted ice cream there. It's still delicious. I don't want to show my face doing this. You're just gonna hear my reaction, guys. So, so crispy. It's delicious. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So see this? See this? See how this acted like a protective layer? So this is still cold. This still rocks well. Cold. And now look at it. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Some people like to put a little bit of condensed milk on top and whipped cream, but I only have condensed milk. So I'm gonna put a little bit of condensed milk here. Let's say this little bit. I don't wanna know. I just like it this way. So I'm gonna put a little bit of condensed milk on top to see. So, oh my gosh, this is actually really good. Okay, so guys, this one probably already melted while my cameraman and I were eating this one, but it's still delicious. It's still ice cream. So, oh my gosh, looking gorgeous. It still has some frozen ice cream in the inside, but let me try this one. I don't know. I think this one will be better because I didn't think that Fruit Loops would really go with chocolate ice cream, but anyways, it's delicious. I think they're equally better, but well, I don't know. Oh, it's so crispy. I don't know. I'm getting some really good flavors from both of this, so I really think. Oh my god. I think overall, this is a huge win. Like, I would totally recommend this dessert because it's easy, cheap, and it's delicious. And it's actually something that a lot of people think is very good. No, very difficult. Some people think it's super difficult, but as you see, it's pretty simple. And this is the first time I was making this, so if I succeeded, you can definitely succeed. Oh my gosh, so oh my god. So this was for today. See you next time.